Holy shit, that guy is big.
Holy cow.
Dude, it's pull and drag.
Oh my gosh, it's big.
What is up, guys? So, super pumped. We're gonna go ice fishing today. We're going to Henry's Lake, which is like phenomenal ice fishing. We don't know what we're doing. Spencer does. He's kind of the head on this expedition. We are pumped. I gotta hurry and get all of our crap ready. We'll catch you out on the ice. That's sick.
No.
Spencer with the first one.
Yeah, let's go.
That's dang.
That's dang. The master over here putting us to shame. Dude. Good fish. What? That one tipped over.
I did it. Go get it.
You got it? I don't know how to do this either. What do we do? Oh no!
Reel it in.
Alright, well, there you go.
Harrison's on,
Holy shit.
I think.
If I can just put it right. There you go.
Is he still on?
He's still on.
Here, break the ice.
Your knee.
Yeah. Well, that's not bad. That's a good,
actually
that's a good cutty.
Ooh!
Dude, get that!
Dang, dude, you got that!
Yeah.
Good.
Oh my gosh, dude!
Sounds like really purple.
Dude!
Look, that
Look
is a
at
nice
that! That
size
is
fish.
dope! That's a cutty, dude. Got Matt, Spencer, and Harrison. We got two keepers. How's it going?
I didn't catch one yet.
So we just are dropping worms down all at a bunch of different depths. Oh, that's the wind. I definitely thought I was just getting a bite. Run!
Look, all of our rods are out now. We got half our rods out of the water.
Oh, it's a lakey! It's a laker! Yeah, dude!
Yeah, boy.
A lake trout.
So you can see, and the difference between a bull and a lake is a bull doesn't have spots on its dorsal.
I'll do the fish and then you.
That's sick!
That is a pretty fish.
I know. That's so sick. Oh, woo! Snow coming in. I ain't scared.
I'm scared.
Nat's a little scared. She's coming in hot. Oh yeah, you got that. So grab it, set it, and then reel.
Oh.
Oh, it got off. Oh, how do you run?
Stuck in the ice.
Big one?
I don't know.
Yeah, he looks big.
Oh, yeah. Nice, dude.
Nice fish.
Boy.
Just on a worm.
Yeah.
When your fish is longer than your pole.
Yeah, boy. The release. Oh, don't do that. Just go down. Go down.
She's on!
Nice. Oh, pull.
Oh, let's go! Yeah! Let's go! You gotta hold it. That picture will be awesome.
They're freezing.
Yeah! Look at that!
Okay, it's not wiggling.
That's awesome. Nat just caught a tank. We've got, I don't know, probably around 40-ish minutes till we gotta go, so hopefully we can catch some more if I don't slip and die. Watch him.
He's already done.
Really?
Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know.
Drag out. That drag is.
Ooh. Huh? Dees. Oh yeah. Get it, dude.
Come on!
Good.
Go!
Let's go. Harrison's on.
Come on.
Dude, that one's a big one.
Holy shiz, that guy is big.
Holy cow.
Dude, it's pull and drag.
Oh my gosh, it's big. It's big.
This big, you do not lose that.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Big.
How the heck? Wait.
Get that out!
I got it. Oh my gosh.
Hey.
Oh my.
Holy cow!
Dude, look at that. Whoa. Oh my gosh, dude.
That thing is huge.
Let's go. You got it. No, it's on.
Oh, come on, baby.
Nice.
Oh, that one's pretty.
Oh, that one's really pretty.
Super pretty.
Really red.
I was like caught on the chair. I was like, crap.
That's awesome.
Super pretty.
Good job. Good little bounty.
Yeah, it is.
And then Harrison's boom. That's awesome. Yeah, the ugly one. What's the summary? We caught probably 9 between the 4 of us in a couple hours. Harrison caught a toad. Alright guys, so we caught some good fish yesterday. We let most of them go, but a few that we got hooked that were gonna die, we kept. Spencer and I filleted them up yesterday. He showed me how to do it. Super fun. Unfortunately, I didn't video that part. I'll try to do that in the future. So, first, I'm just gonna cook some rice. Just like salmon. Look at that. Just gonna get some salt on it. Get some pepper. Some dill. So, tip with the lemon, push it down and roll it. A little easier to squeeze. They are ready to cook. That's actually really good. I like that. It's really good. It's like super flaky. Like, look at that. If I could wrap up this whole experience in one word, it would be dank. yeah, overall, the trip was awesome, super fun. It wasn't even that cold. I wasn't that cold. I was a little preoccupied with the fishing. Definitely got me hooked on ice fishing. Definitely want to go some more. If you guys have been ice fishing, I'd love to hear some tips from you guys of what you do, maybe to catch more fish, or some things you saw in this video that were stupid or that we should avoid next time. One more thing, I just wanted to thank especially Spencer for taking us out. He was kind of the outfitter in this scenario. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. We have more content coming with that. Happy Thanksgiving and go catch some fish. Peace.